Greetings and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to turn this lovely gas bottle into a cool log burner. Now, before we get making and cutting and grinding the gas bottle, there is a few safety things. If you give the bottle a bit of a shake and you hear the liquid inside, you need to empty the bottle by means of using it on a barbecue or a patio heater or somewhere to burn the rest of the gas off. Once the bottle is completely empty, you then take the valve off. It will hiss, because obviously there is residue left inside. It will hiss a little bit. But once you get that off, fill the bottle with water, or you could use soapy water if you so wish. Leave it 24 hours. Pour the water out, and my suggestion is turn the bottle upside down and leave it for a further few days. You will still get the smell of gas. The smell is actually an additive that then sticks to the inside of the metal. This bottle has been sat upside down outside my workshop now for a month or so. I was in no rush to make it because we'd had a few nice warm sunny days, so I thought, well, there's no point cracking on, so I just left it outside upside down because gas is heavier than air. Now the first job I'm going to do is I'm going to get this paint off. I'm also then going to take the top ring off and the bottom ring. So to get the paint off, I'm not going to use nitromos or a paint stripper. No, I'm not going to set a fire inside the cylinder because, quite frankly, that stinks. What I'm going to use on this are these. These are paint stripping discs. You can also use them to remove rust as well, and they are really good. This is a Norton Blaze, and this one is really good. This is probably the best one I've found so far. Right, so you should end up with something that looks like this. Once cut, you could use the piece that you cut out to make a door, but I've got a different idea for this. I want mine to look a little bit more fancy. I rolled this ring, and I'm going to use parts of this for the curved pieces of the door.
When I had some bits laser cut, I knew I was going to be making this, so I had some hinges laser cut to the right radius so they fit on perfectly. So I'll just give them a bit of a clean and then we'll get them tacked on. that's not bad. Sure I forgot something though.
There we go. It was a chimney we needed. Now what we need to do is get a fire in it. We're going to need to put some high temperature paint on, but first you need to get a fire in it. You need to burn off any paint that's been left behind, any residue, any oils, contaminants, and it'll make it easier to paint. This will stop the paint flaking off. I do still think it's missing something.